Good morning. It is 4:42 a.m. I just got back from the gym about an hour or so ago. It didn't go well. Anyway, this is going to be kind of like a mishmash of video clips that really didn't fit into a topic. Just some stuff that I found around, and I'm going to use them for something, so it'll be a little bit of everything. Some might be long, some might be very short. Probably be all boring, but we'll see. Anyway, if you like this little video, go down here and click the like button, make a comment down there or something, good or bad, I don't care. Anyway, on with the video. Here we are at my second church. It's called Fit For You Gym. I'll show you around. It's about 1 o'clock in the morning, 1:15, 1:16. Here's where I try to stay young. Lights will come on here in a second. There we go. Over here's where I start my workout. This is the bench press machine. It's kind of fun. Then we go over to here, which is, I don't know what you call it, but I think it works your back. And here, this is the one that works your shoulders. It's pretty cool. I run in here to this part, and this is the butterfly machine. This is what I ripped my shoulder on. Got that. Then I run over to here to start my core work, which starts there and goes over here to this machine, which works the core. And we run over here to this one, who does the same, except it works on the back. Then we come over here. You have the leg extension machine, and over here, the leg press machine. I finished my set over here on the preacher curls. The weights ain't on it yet, so. But anyway, that's my workout. I do 6 sets of that. So I do 6 sets of that. And of course, here's the free weights. I don't use them yet because I don't trust my arm. And we got all the weights machines over there and here. All that stuff. Well, there we go. Hey, they got a towel over here. Check it out. That way I won't sweat all over myself. Anyway, that's it. I'll talk to you later. Good morning. Reason I'm taking this video this morning is because today I'm going to start doing things a bit different. Usually I would get up and I would, hang on Miss Kitty, she's hungry. Usually I would get up, I'd get online, check all my
social media, then go about my day. And this morning I'm going to get up, make a pot of coffee, and dig into the Word of God and do my Bible studies, do my daily Devos out of Metal Devo, the gift from Pastor Bob. And I'm sure my day will go a lot better than it has been. This is my morning coffee. When I do things, I do it right. Just for this is the size of my coffee and the size of my hand. So yeah, probably a soup mug, I don't know. It's huge. This is how I'm going to start my mornings off. Every morning. From now on. The computer off. Word of God on. This is the reason that I need to not lay out of the gym anymore. Hello. I'm going to take you around to where I go This is my little house right there. So we cruise out here up the road here. It's a nice little village. I enjoy living here. Probably be some music over all of this. Stop sign. And we go on up here. This is at the end of the road up here is where I used to live, in that tan house right here, 504 Mulvane. And right there, I had a friend that lived there. He was older than me. His name was Bob. We go up here to the light. I'm going to take you the way that I go to church every time it's open. Got a stoplight. I'll pause it. Well, here is where I go do my shopping, just for small things, because they're so expensive. Up here, the Yummy drive-thru, and there's my cousin Pam. Hi, Pam. Okay. And there's the fire department. Around here, this is the school that I used to go to, grade school. It's called East Elementary. I love this school. A lot of good memories. Cruise on up here. And we got another stop sign. Take a left here. Now this is the road my church is on. And we got something going on here. I don't know what it is. That gray building there is my church. That's where I go to church at. Alright. Up here's the post office. A couple more churches. Yeah, we're on Canal Street. Now we're on the way to my second church. We take a right here. All these cars finally get gone. It's an old hardware store called Eureka. We come up here and take a right here. You don't have to stop if you're turning right. This is Main Street, main drag. It's where all the crap actually should go on, but really don't. And over here is my gym. That was it. That was Fit for You. That's where I go to the gym at. It's my second church. We come down here and there's the old library. I remember getting my first library card. First two books I ever got was one on Jesse James and outer space. So we've just made a big old circle. And here's the certified. And this is College Street we're going on. And there's the four-way stop again. So that's just about everything. That's about everything. So here we're going downstate. Up there, that sign that says Chestnut Street. Cut down it. Ugh. Go down here. Take the first left. And sorry for the jiggling. I'm using a phone. And I'm not too steady. We come into my apartment complex. Hey, there's my cousin Pam. I'm gonna see if I can ride with her where she's going. There's my cousin Pam. Hey, I'm on a park. Would you pick me up and I can ride with you? All right. And there's my home. That little one right over there. And here's where I park. And your tour of Newcomers Town is now over. This is my cousin Pam. Say hi, Pam.
Hello.
She's one of my, well, she is my favorite cousin. So we've done everything together. She's always, she's either been diapering me or helping me back when I drank to get drunk.
Going on vacation together?
Going on vacation, we went to beaches, and we had all kinds of fun together.
I did.
So, well, that's about it for right now. I'll catch you later.